Okay, the winds are kicked back up and they're at least 12, pardon me, 12 to 18. There's no more of this 5 mile an hour stuff. It's pretty stiff. So the GB can take it. The GB does just fine. So the Sbach should do better, wouldn't you think? The GB on a 4S 2700 and the Sbach on a 3300. It's pretty heavy. So the winds are changing on me. A lot. Looks like somebody drove in the field last night. So, with the sun at my back and the wind in my face, it's a pretty stiff wind. Are we on? Yep, we're on. Sweating. Oh, wind's throwing it around. A lot. It's kind of hard for me to do knife edges in 20 knot winds. But I'll hover. Got more than enough power to hover into the wind. I don't want to do it too low. I'm not that good yet. Wind is just blowing it too hard. It's hard for me to keep it steady in this wind. This will be fun in the still air. Big, powerful gust. Woo! Feel like I'm on Galveston. Hovering at 50%. Would not want to do the lighter battery today in the stiff winds. gonna have to land in this wind. See if I can't get a couple practice runs here. Okay, that's a good run there. Oh, and the wind's died. I better get it on. Wind's kicking up. Ah, I can still do it. Wow. Okay, so I'm learning some things. If it hovers up there, it'll hover better on the ground. But what you got on the ground is turbulence, because the wind is kicking from the rooftops and the fence, so I've got to stay away from the trees. Anyway, I like it. I like the fact that I've now got a high wind plane. That's what I wanted. So I'm no longer grounded when it's 10 to 15. I just take this one out. My other birds, I can fly them at 10, 15, but it's not really fun. This is going to be a good trainer for me. So anyway, twist a grin, I'm out.